Auricular fossa. Then, here, along with clavicular line only. First intercostal space, second. Always come here, inspiration, expiration, then here, inspiration, expiration. Then second, this way. Then go downward, yes, to liver. Then along lateral part, enough only mid-axillary line, yes? Because when you put stethoscope, it will be located near with anterior axillary and near with posterior. And you can see it, come here. Yes? And then on the back, the same like percussion. First point, then between scapulars 2 times, and then below scapulars. Approximately also 2 times. Please, listen. Where we can hear bronchial breathing or laryngotracheal breathing, near with spinal column, but we don't auscultate here, yes? We auscultate here. Here it should be bronchial breathing, or laryngotracheal, yes? And here also laryngotracheal will be. That's why we auscultate along mid-clavicular line. And here will be bronchial.
So all others supposed to be vesicular.
Vesicular breathing. Right now, try to auscultate here or put stethoscope over the larynx to determine what is laryngotracheal breathing, short inspiration and long expiration. Yeah? And vesicular breathing, only long inspiration.